Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so excited that you decided to join me for today's cleaning video. So let's go ahead and get on into it, starting in my living room.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Now, one of the major things I wanted to tackle this day was vacuuming my couch. I'm not even going to sit here and pretend like our dogs don't jump up and down off the couch all day long. They sleep on the couch often. So because of that, we do try and keep our couches vacuumed pretty regularly. That way we're not sitting in a bunch of dog hair or anything like that.
Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Alright, so I did want to include a Grove Collaborative haul. I did not purchase that much, so I did want to throw it in this video. The first thing that I got was the walnut and cellulose sponges. You guys know I get these pretty often. I've kind of reverted to just using these for cleaning though, because I am using the e-cloth sponges a lot more and I am loving them, but I still like having these on hand. Now I did also go ahead and get 2 more of the 7th generation wipes. These are the garden mint scent, and I actually like these a lot more than I thought I would. They clean very well, and obviously disposable makes them really easy to use. I did also purchase some more of the dishwasher tabs. I used the 7th generation Powerful Clean Free and Clear. The back lists like all the stuff that it's free and clear of. Whatever ingredients are in it, which I really like. It is one of the more natural ones, but it still seems to do a great job. Now I did also need some replacement scrubber heads. This is for one of my scrubber brushes that I use for dishes, and I always like having these on hand because I replace them out quite often. Now, if any of you guys are pasty like me, you go through sunscreen like crazy over the summer. So I did go ahead and pick up some more sunscreen. I love the one that I purchased. It smells great. And then I also got some for my son. It is the Badger Balm sunscreen. We are both very fair skinned, and sunscreen is our best friend, especially with how our weather has been lately. We burn super easily and definitely need that extra little protection.
We're running out of light. The time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out, and we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. Oh, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Now life is happening and I don't wanna miss a thing. Letting go is not a sin. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Oh, I don't wanna be running from you, but I know what I'm running from. Oh, you keep saying fine, but I'm not in line. No, no, not this time. 'Cause I will find the way on my own. 'Cause I am out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. I don't wanna be. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me?
Now here I was basically just cleaning off all of the bug sprays and sunscreens we had. This is by far my favorite bug spray. We try to use more natural ones, especially like for our kids, and they seem to work really, really well, especially that Repel one. I find it on Amazon and it's like $4, so it is amazing. But I did want to go ahead and start getting up here a little bit more organized. I had just kind of had stuff thrown up. I read on the instructions when I got these baskets to try and shove them with a blanket, and it really didn't seem to make any difference. I think just over time the baskets are going to naturally unbend themselves, so I went ahead and took the sleeping bag out of there and started setting up all of my baskets and getting my laundry room cleaned. I definitely had not cleaned my laundry room in a minute, so it definitely needed a good cleaning.
That it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. what you do. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Now, one thing I love about our laundry room is this space down here. I do use it to keep our dog food mostly. So we have our main dog food, and then we have the puppy's food since he is on different food currently. And I do keep this little rolly laundry basket underneath, and that is where I put all of my microfiber towels. And just to show you what I had done earlier, I went ahead and put some of the cleaning supplies into this drawer, my clothes washer. Sorry, I cannot even think today. I put that in there, and just kind of the extra stuff that we don't really need. Then I have my wipes, multi-surface sprays, soaps, hand soaps, and just kind of the miscellaneous hand sanitizers, Goo Gone, random other cleaners that I need. And I used this little laundry basket for my extra Dyson attachments. I thought this was perfect. It slides in and out so easily, and I did keep like my extra laundry detergent back there because it is bigger. It needs to be on that top shelf, but this basket kind of hides it so that it's not just like a random bottle of soap up there. So I really like the way that that turned out. After that, my son was just not having nap time, so I did go ahead and stop my cleaning, and by the nighttime, I was way too tired to pick it up again. So I went ahead the next day and picked it up. Of course, it was night because my son didn't nap again, but I was determined to at least get my house caught back up.
I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would get something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you.
Now, this is the Lemmy Shine Disposal Cleaner. I used it on my washing machine, and I love the Lemmy Shine brand so far. So I went ahead and picked this up. These are basically giant tablets. You put them in your garbage disposal, and then it foams up. And I did not expect that much foam. It was insane. Nothing came out of the actual disposal side, but it did come out of the other side, which I thought was super cool. And I would definitely recommend it. My drains smelled so clean after using that.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world.
Alright guys, well that wraps up today's video. I hope it motivated you to get whatever you needed done, and I hope if you are new that you would consider subscribing to my channel. If you're not new and you've been here for a little bit, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you guys continuing to watch my videos. But that is it for today. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's all.